I only buy the finest tea leaves, sister. See, BOPF.
BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Sister, the art of tea.
Motions that are submitted on Thursdays for the granting of bail to a suspect arrested by the Alpitia police and remanded after being placed before the Alpitia Magistrates Court are not accepted. On Thursdays, such motions must be submitted at the Pittigala police station only in relation to the relevant case. However, a suspect who was arrested by the Alpitia police and then produced before the Alpitia magistrate on Tuesday was able to secure bail today through such a motion. Another notable feature in this incident is that neither the suspect nor his lawyer were aware that such a motion was to be submitted. The wrong committed by the suspect, which led to his being ordered into remand custody for 14 days, is contained in the B report that was submitted by the police to the magistrate. According to the report, the plaintiff is a clerk at the Alpitia Magistrates Court. The police had reported to court that while the complainant was returning home from work, the suspect had gotten off a vehicle and then dealt the complainant blows to the head and neck. The complainant had lodged this complaint travelling to the Alpitia police himself. If the complainant was injured, then in keeping with police regulations, what the police should have done was hand over the complainant to the nearest hospital. However, the complainant, who was not hospitalized that day, had passed 5 hospitals located between his home and place of work at the Alpitia Magistrates Court and had been admitted to the Alpitia Hospital located in close proximity to the Magistrates Court. He was handed over to the hospital as an official at the Alpitia Magistrates Court who had reported to work on that day. The suspect, who was arrested the previous day by the police and had his vehicle impounded by the police as a case item, was produced before the magistrate at the magistrate's official chambers on Tuesday. The police have noted in the B report that the suspect was under the influence of alcohol. However, such a conclusion has been reached from the complainant's statement and not through an independent medical report.
කැඳවුවට පස්සේ මම මේ නඩුවට ඉදිරිපත් වුණා. තවත් නීතිඥ මහතුරු දෙන්නෙකුත් ඉදිරිපත් වුණා.
I came forward when the hearing was convened. So did 2 other lawyers. The magistrate asked the police what was going on. The police noted that the complainant was a clerk with the Alpitia Magistrates Court. When I got up to speak, all I managed to get out was, "Your Honour, this is a bailable offence."
මට කරුණු දක්වන්න කියනකොටම මම ස්වාමීනි මෙය අපදිය හැකි වරදක්. එච්චර මට කියන්න හම්බුනේ.
According to the contents of the B report, the suspect has committed an offence punishable under sections 314 and 315 of the Penal Code. An individual suspected of committing such an offence can be granted police bail in accordance with section 6 of the Bail Act. The B report also notes that the complainant had violated traffic laws and as a result his motorbike had ended up in front of the car driven by the suspect. The suspect, who had been ordered into remand custody for 14 days, was set free on bail without any conditions being imposed after the complainant was discharged from hospital last morning. Isn't looking into whether this incident was an example of the universal declaration that the law is equal to all, or an example of the Orwellian saying that some animals are more equal than others, imperative to maintaining the respect and reputation of the judiciary?